Yes, here was the idea to create a lovely, nice veranda or a balcony to kind of look at on the back of the garden. And if you cut the big trees over there on the back, you have a nice view, nice place to sit and relax. But how you see alone, the property is still in a building project and someone need to finish it off of the way how he will like to be. The house is still in a project building job. All the walls are plasterboards and the ceilings electric was changed, cables, wiring, PVC windows. You have a nice neighbor, policeman, who visit the property only once or twice of the year because he's not from here. Hello again, it's me, Yoana. Apologize for the state of the property and the piles of rubbish or bits of materials left around, but the house is in a progress renovation work. Actually, this what here we can see today is a two-story house with attached building on the back, which was very old, and the roof is gone, and the idea of the owners was to create a nice balcony there on the back. You can look at the back garden. On the side have a barn which is from 2 rooms in a poorly condition. Work need to be done. The property has 1835 square meter land, level garden, tiny garden on the front, you can see alone. Have a well which is shared with a neighbor because it's exactly on the border. New septic tank was created for the property. You got outside tap too. Here is the water meter for the property, which of course need to be make it a new pit for it. Here is the septic tank. At the moment I step on it. It's with concrete lid and a hose for breathing. This is the side of the house. He is the neighbor, that policeman who come in very rare to visit the property, only for holiday. And there on the back is the well. I'll try to walk over there to kind of show you. I'm sorry because everything look mess around, but it's in a construction work going on to try to make the property better. Here been a dig a new channel on the back of the property. New pipes was fit for a toilet and for plumbing, of course. And here is the well, which is sharing with the neighbor. The roof work been done on the roof. You can see it. Have a paper there. New buttons done, gutters, and down pipes too. We're going inside now to see the property. We continue walking around this property. You can see you have external stairs, so you can reach up. Over there is that Joy building with two poorly rooms, which work need to be done. You can create extra accommodations there if you decide for yourself. And we go see downstairs now. At the moment, the property has a corridor, bedroom, and a big kitchen, diner, maybe, we will see, and a space where we're going to create a new bathroom and a toilet. At the moment, there is no one into the property bathroom and a toilet. The floors are concrete. Here is that big room where you can create nice kitchen. It's not all finished off. You can see it have a bits which need to be finished off. It can come a nice. Here is that wet room where I'm supposed to be create a new bathroom. It's enough big for it. This was our old bathroom at the moment. And here was the toilet in the past, where you can create another toilet if you wish. And this door here at the moment is a screw on. I can't pass there, but will bring you to the barns on the back. Come, we go to take a look upstairs, and then we go to the garden. It's only nature and birds and a quiet life. It's beautiful for relax. It's me again. We're going upstairs to see the house and how the work been done. You can see it have a PVC door and a windows change. The floors here been kept originally, wooden boards, and upstairs been created 3 rooms which you can make them bedroom or what you wish. There are high nice ceilings. The work will start. You have everywhere a plasterboard, walls and the ceilings, electric new wiring when over there. Sorry, just try to help here. Have some poor butterfly. Try to help to go out. No, she don't want it. Hope she will run away now. Come on in. Oh, cool. We help to the butterfly go away. Sorry for that. Continue look at around. And this room is the same. You having a plasterboards for sockets, double sockets, lighting. Just need little bit sanding and paint to go over. You can stay and continue do the work. Up there was create a new fuse box for the property. Here was a storage, but again it's a lovely place to good opportunity to create a nice size bathroom with a bath even. Over there you got original ceilings and a house to search the attic loft space. You can see the roof was maintained, have a new buttons, kept the old tiles to look originally, and waterproof the roof. This is the last room, and here was half a room, door, sorry, which in the past was like a attic on an extra building which is stuck next to the main house, but the people who bought this house, they was planning to make a nice veranda or a balcony. I will show you in a minute with the video where you can go and see the back of the house. Can become nice, and downstairs under this space, which is big, maybe it's like a 8 meter by 4, is another buildings there down, which you can use for extra space or storage or workshop. We go see the garden now. Hello, I'm still in this property in village Goritsa. This is what I was mean to share to you about the space under the balcony at the moment. I will go to try to show you from the little window because it's very hard. I can reach there, and over there you can see it is two rooms there where you can make a extra space for yourself. Here is the barn, or that additional building with extra 2 rooms. Is a building job here, need to go because the roof is not in a very good condition. Need lots of work, but it's nice space which you can use. I can make another guest accommodation. The walls are still here. Just need to make a new roof because the roof half is gone. Here is the big part of the garden. It's all very grassy, normal for the season. If no one maintain, it's come higher even of my size, heightness. This is the barns. The barn is share wall with the neighbor. This means half of the roof line on this property and the other half of the roof line with the neighbor. This way in the past the people been living and sharing things. And go to see the rest of the garden. It's nice place. Can come nicer, of course, if someone maintain it and take care of. But here you are next to the nature. Only birds, bees, and a quietness. Lots of crickets. This is the outside toilet, far away from the house. I'm gonna show you now the barn, the old building. It's high grass. A little path was tried to create around of us keep walking around to look at. This is what I mean over there. They always want to make it a nice veranda. We can look at on the back. Usually this part of the property been used for animals in the past, but it's nice and cold and it's really long. Probably you have 20-meter long. Can come a really lovely barbecue sitting area. Or if you want, you can create your outside kitchen here. Let's see, nice big beams. And this is that attachment building to the main house with the 2 rooms under that balcony, if we can say it is a balcony. And from there you got access to go inside on the main house where was the toilet. So that is from me for now, from village Goritsa. Goritsa is hour away from Ruse, hour away from Veliko Tarnovo, less of 2 hours to Varna airport or to the Black Sea, and nice and quiet. Come and visit with us. Have a good day.